G'day Australia, Alex here checking in for Jimmy Tools. Today we're going to be showcasing our newest additions to our toolbox range, the Tank. Once you go yellow and black, the odds are you're not going to go back. Our new Tank range is available in loads of different toolbox variations and modular kit levels, but today we're going to be showing you 14 drawer 72-inch roller cab with our yellow mongrel sticker decals, 18 drawer 56-inch workshop with roller cab and top box, and our huge 23 drawer Mega Max has our 72-inch roller cab, a 56-inch top box and the add-on side locker. All of our toolboxes are fully lockable with a rear internal locking system, 1.2 thick steel construction. We have heavy duty caster wheels on all roller cabs with spring loaded on the 72-inch series. Rubber stoppers to prevent the drawers opening unexpectedly. So let's get straight into this Australian and show you everything you need to know about these super vibrant bad boy blockbusters. The first cab off the rank in our modular toolkit add-ons is introductory level. Now feast your eyes on this. A 143-piece socket and accessory tray is one of the most comprehensive trays on the industrial marketplace today. It carries a range of 1/4-inch 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive chrome vanadium sockets ranging from 4.5mm to 32mm and 1/4-inch to 1.25". Breaker bars of all drives up to 600mm. Check out these massive 36-inch extensions and a full range of socket accessories. This professional quality 38-piece bit set with stainless steel reversible ratchet handle is a little beauty. All bits made from S2 quality steel. 4 top-end pliers being side cutters, combination long nose and locking. Don't forget these little rigid jaw shifters, 6-inch and 8-inch. And finally we have these 9-piece hex keys in metric and SAE and the 9-piece Torx keys. Check out this neat looking ring open-ended spanner tray. High quality chrome vanadium spanners ranging from 7 to 21mm and 1/4-inch to 15/16. The industry has it said that the look and feel of these spanners are second to none. Next we have this 8-piece go-through screwdriver tray. With high quality S2 steel tips you can take on the most challenging jobs. Deep socket rails in 1/4-inch, 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive, metric and imperial. If you've been searching for some super robust internal external circlip pliers, rest assured we have you covered with this top-notch 4-piece set. We have an 8-metre tape measure and hacksaw with bimetal German blades. And to finish off, check out our high-quality 16-ounce ball peen hammer and 3-pound club hammer. This concludes introductory level, so let's move straight into our intermediate add-on module. We have this high-quality 26-piece ratcheting spanner set in metric and imperial, made from chrome vanadium steel. The comprehensive metric sizes ranging from 8mm to 21mm, and imperial sizes ranging from 1/4-inch to 1-inch. A 5-piece mag impact wheel nut sockets with sizes 17, 19, 21, 22 and 27mm. 10-piece 1/2-inch drive impact deep socket rails SAE, ranging from 7/16 to 1-inch. Need some additional top-notch ratchet handles with reach and flexibility? Check out these rippers, coming in 1/4-inch, 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive. Check out this specialised 28-piece spanner tray. We have our super popular 7-piece long ringies ranging from 8mm to 24mm. Standard flare nut spanners in both metric and imperial. Don't forget the stubby metric ratchet spanners ranging from 8 to 19mm, all covered by our lifetime warranty. Every professional mechanic needs their crow's feet in both metric and imperial. We have this 12-inch shifter. Look at this 54-piece bit set with hex, star, spline and tamper-proof security star bits, all material made from S2 quality steel. Heading to the next drawer, we've got our 1400-gram dead blow hammer, a great little 10-piece punch and chisel set in canvas ripstop pouch. We've got 4-piece pry bars, a feeler gauge, a boot clamp. We have an 8-inch high-quality bolt cutter with chrome moly jaws, one of our most popular hand tools. A pickup tool, magnetic tray, circuit tester and spark plug tester. And check out this super bright magnetic base slimline LED work light with USB charge. Now check out the strength of this magnet. Make an impact with our 42-piece short and deep impact socket range. The comprehensive sizes ranging from 9 to 32mm. Sockets are made from high tensile strength chrome moly steel. We have 8-piece in-hex impact sockets in both metric and imperial. We have a deburring tool, a 17-piece drain plug set, a 1/2-inch drive filter wrench, And to finish off our intermediate contents box, we've got a 1/2-inch drive professional quality torque wrench. Torque ranging from 18.4 to 151.2 foot-pounds. Each unit coming with a calibration certificate supplied at factory level. This concludes intermediate level, so let's move straight into our advanced add-on module. Firstly, we have our 12-piece metric and imperial large spanner set tray, ranging from 22 to 32 mil and 1 inch to 1 1/4 inch. Hacksaw blades, trim tool remover, a seal puller with a spare head, 5-piece Uniclip remover set, a wire stripper. Check out this crimping ratchet plier kit with an assortment of quick change heads. We have this triple pack line clamp. Use this 1 metre long 3/4 inch drive breaker bar to assist with any nut busting work. Moving down here, we've got our 75-piece tap and die set in SAE and metric. And when things go a little pear-shaped, we have a 25-piece screw extractor set and a go-through nut remover set from 8 to 21 mil. We have this super handy 3-piece long handle plier set, perfect for getting into those hard to reach places. For work with more heavier duty application, you can't go past these impact 3/4 inch drive deep socket sets in blow mold casing. The 8-piece metric sockets range from 27 to 41 mil. The 8-piece imperial sockets range from 1 inch to 1 1/2 inch. We have 2 more torque wrenches being 1/4 inch drive with torque ranging from 6 to 30 Newton meters. 3/8 drive with torque ranging from 20 to 110 Newton meters. We have this 32-ounce ball peen hammer and a 15-inch shifter. We have this exceptional 27-piece 3/4 inch drive chrome vanadium socket set in blow mold case. A professional quality ratchet and accessories with sockets ranging from 7/8 to 2 inch and 22 mil to 50 mil. Finally, we have thrown in this 1.5 litre oil transfer syringe. This concludes advanced level, so let's move straight into our expert add-on module. Starting off, we've got our 3/4 inch drive professional quality torque wrench. We've extended the torque ranging on this new unit now ranging from 150 to 800 Newton meters or 129 to 572 foot-pounds. A certificate of calibration provided at factory level. In the next drawer we have a bootlace ferrule crimper, a heavy-duty ratcheting crimper for non-insulated terminals. We have a couple of industrial jumbo Allen key sets, both in metric and imperial. Next we have this handy hook and pin wrench kit. There are a couple of powerful air impact guns. 1/2 inch drive with a maximum torque of up to 650 foot-pounds. A 3/4 inch drive gun with a maximum torque of up to 1400 foot-pounds. A vice mounted manual pipe flaring tool for single and double 45-degree flares and didn't bubble flares on brake and stainless steel pipe. One of the most popular flaring kits on the market today, with a rugged construction and ease of use to make this kit an asset for any workshop. In this extra deep bottom drawer, look at this 2-piece 16-inch jumbo circlip plier set with a variety of removable tips. We also have this comprehensive 13-piece circlip plier set, both sets being in a blow mold case. Then when opening up this spacious side locker, we have a comprehensive 26-piece radiator pressure tester. There you have it, Australia. Let us know what you think of our new tank varieties. For more information, check out our website, www.jimmytools.com.au. If you're interested in tight-on cash, we've got 24 months interest-free available. This blockbuster deal on interest-free is an absolute godsend. We're an Australian family-owned and operated business since 1993, and we ship Australia-wide, so it doesn't matter where you are, we can get one of these out to you. Make sure you check us out on our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube for updates on Jimmy Tools. Hit the like button, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. If you've got any questions, send them through and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.